ito pala yung ano ko, profile sa TikTok, Pretty Baby Strong. And yun ang picture ko. Meron akong shop center sa TikTok. Dito guys, dito ang TikTok shop, or you click it here, that is TikTok shop. All the brochure is here. So you have to, this is the search button. So ito, dito ang magsi-search ka kung anong gusto mo. Then mag-order ka anong gusto mo dito. For example, mag-choose ako ng anong gusto ko dito na items. For example, this dog. For example, then dog dental chew bone. This is the price 15 pesos. Like that. You have to buy now here. You click it here. Then, mag-provide siya ng information doon about your address, name, and number. Tapos, i-fill upan mo yun. When the right time na finish na yung lahat, easy lang yun. Tapos, choose mo lang doon, buy now. Tapos, mag-read ka doon anong mga mayroong mga percentage doon na coupons. I-click mo para yung mga shipping fees or something na mga items na na kinuha mo, in order mo, magle-less ang niya, yung price niya kasi may discount, right? So, yan na. Yan na siya, yan, ganyan. I-press mo lang to. Tapos, makikita mo yung mga information doon. There is different kinds of items. You can choose here, and the price is here. Choose it here, the same price, see? This one is 25, and the other one is same 25. And this one 25 too. So, if you want to buy more, this is plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you need more or you want one only, so you have to adjust into negative button. Kung mag-add more ka sa positive, right, click buy, then yun na siya ang mangyari. Click kung buy now, yan, makikita mo yan lahat dito. Ito ang ano niya, yung in-order mo, tapos yung standard shipping, tapos yung subtotal shipping niya, tapos yung total is 61, tapos cash on delivery, you press it here. Kung na mayroon kang mga card, you press it this one here. Kung may Gcash ka dito, pero mostly talaga yung mga tao is cash on delivery. So, pag cash on delivery, sa bahay nyo na bayaran. Ang total niya is here. Please order is total items is 61. See? Na-order ko, thanks for order. Yan. Pag na-order ko, ganyan na ang mangyari. Guys, to those hindi pa masyadong alam about sa TikTok, sa processing noon, pwede naman ako. Kaso nga lang, magbayad lang kayo ng 10 pesos per processing. Ito yung account ng Messenger ko. You have to type my name, Cabanas Rose. Then ito ang picture ko. Then makikita mo na yung hinahanap mo. To those hindi pa alam about sa sa TikTok, kasi nag-ano pa kayo, nagre-research pa kayo how to do it, pwede naman ako. Ilagay mo lang yung application, fill in yung application dito, yung first name nyo, middle name, last name, address, barangay, municipality, province, city, zip code. Ang zip code sa Cebu is 6326 Philippines. Tapos, noted, if you how to process if you know how to process, if you know how to process, you no need to provide processing fee. Yeah, I forgot to put no there. Then, but if you don't know, let me know. I will please to do the task for your transactions. Processing fee only 10 pesos each transaction. GCash number, right? Yan ang GCash ko. Tapos, kung mag-send ka sa GCash, ito ang number ko. Tapos, makita mo yung name doon, NEEB. Yan ang number ko sa GCash para ma-send nyo doon sa Express Send yung 10 pesos. This one, if the transaction has been done, at the time, I will provide the receipt for GCash for payment fee and your COD or cash on delivery transaction paid at your home address, that which I filled up informations the person's owner purchased. Please choose your pictures, which items you love to buy, and send it to my messenger account. My name is Rose Cabanas or Rose Caba 6. Yun ang username ko doon sa, no, hindi username. Mag-search ka lang doon sa Facebook, sa Messenger. Pwede rin sa Facebook, pwede rin sa Messenger. Makikita nyo ako doon. Ito yung profile na hahanapin nyo. Tapos, pag makakita na kayo ng ng mga picture doon sa nagustuhan nyo doon sa TikTok, screenshot nyo na lang, tapos isend nyo sa akin dito like this, and this one. Ako na mag-process lahat yun. When the right time afterwards na mag-process ko na lahat yun lahat ng applications na information na nandoon sa application is ipoprovide ko sa inyo.